Hello guys, thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to go over boot sequence and explain to you what does that mean. Okay, so each time a computer boots up, it goes through an initial series of processes, yeah? So this sequence of events is known as boot sequence. So let's take a look over here. Looking for a diagram. Okay, hold on. Alright, so during the boot sequence, the computer activates the necessary hardware components and loads the appropriate software so that a user can interact with the machine. A boot sequence starts by accessing the computer's BIOS on Windows PCs or the system ROM on a Macintosh. The BIOS and ROM contain basic instructions that tell the computer how to boot up. These instructions are then passed to the computer's CPU, which begins loading information into the system RAM. Once a valid boot disk or startup disk is found, the computer begins loading the operating system into the system memory. After the operating system finishes loading, the computer is to be used, is ready to be used. So as you can see here, firmware bootloaders. The boot sequence can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the computer's configuration. If the system is booting from a CD or DVD, the boot time may be significantly longer than if the computer is booted from a hard drive. Also, if your computer was turned off unexpectedly, the boot time might increase, since the system may perform some additional checks to make sure everything is okay. So that's how the boot sequence works. It starts by accessing the computer's BIOS. The BIOS and ROM contains like instructions that tell the computer how to boot up. These instructions are then passed on to the CPU, where it begins to load the program into the memory RAM. Once a valid boot disk has been found. So thank you for watching, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you, bye.